Namaste to one and all. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is as per request. Here we can see the topic +1 physics. At the same time, I am focusing on several other subjects also in this video, including calligraphy. So let us see what about physics subject in +1, and I have taken the topic kinetic energy. This kinetic energy is included in other standards also. And what about the kinetic energy? It is possessed by an object due to its motion. So kinetic energy is the energy possessed by an object due to its motion. This word derived from the Greek word kinetikos. Greek word kinetikos. And kinetic energy can be measured by Ke is equal to 1 by 2 mv square. M means mass of the body in kilograms and V means moving with velocity in meter, that is per second. And here we can see what are the examples of kinetic energy. First of all, we can see the movement of car, movement of cycle, movement of the running water, all this will come under the kinetic energy. And here I have taken an example regarding a picturization, a photograph of a car. It is moving through the slope of the hill and it is reaching on the foothill of the hill. And here we can see that when it is moving because of the potential energy. Potential energy is the energy stored in an object, that is in the car. And kinetic energy means as it is moving on the slope, it may be more, we can say it can move fast. So as it is moving, the energy from moving object. So here just I have taken as a cartoon like that picture. So in the suggestive activities, cartoon also mentioned there. And next another example I have taken is the sailing boat. Here just I have drawn it, that is an sketching. I have taken an example. Here the several other subjects also I have written as to integrate with other subjects. Then here we can see that this kinetic energy K is equal to 1 by 2 mv square. I told you m is the mass of the body in kilograms. M is measured in kilograms and V is measured in meter per second. Third example I have written is releasing arrow from bow. Then one thing more I want to tell you, this Ke is equal to 1 by 2 mv square, that what is the outcome we get, that we call it as joule. Even the spelling is Joule, it is pronounced as joule. And another example of the kinetic energy is releasing arrow from bow. And here I have pasted a picture, that is a photography. And these pictures I have taken from the old children's digest. So we can see that we can make use of different pictures, photographs, or we themselves can draw. Those who can't draw, they can utilize this, and different pictures we paste it in different aspects, that we call it as a collage. Those who can't draw. Then we can see another example 4, the bicycle in motion. Bicycle. This I have done with a 3-dimensional. That is, I have taken some sequence and I cut it and pasted. And another example I have taken is a tap. I made it with some beads and some sequence I have used. I think that you can understand. You can at least understand that this is running water. And this also I have done as a 3-dimensional activities. Then that is example 5. Then example 6, that is windmill. I have done windmill. Yes, windmill. And this windmill, that is also, it is a moving and it is creating energy. So the question was that how the visual resources can be used in +1 physics. So here at the same time I want to tell you how it can be related to other subjects. So even though it is an, as plus one is concerned, it is art integrated learning, not art integrated project. So these are the activities the teacher can do or the children can do. And here we can say how this can be incorporated with, integrated with other subjects is mountain slope. What about the slope of the mountain? That relates to mathematics. Then it relates to then how the car is moving. That is related to physics. And how it is the car is made up of, that is related to chemistry. Then here the hill slope, it is about the botany. What are the creatures live here? What about the fauna? That is related to zoology. And the same way when the ship is moving or the boat is moving, and here we can see how it is working. And here the ocean, which is related to geography also related to physics, and how the boat is made up of, that is chemistry. Then what about the length, the width, and how it works, that related to mathematics and physics. And when we narrate the story, narrate it how the boat is moving, what about the, suppose you are narrating about the ocean or the beauty of the ocean or the coastal area of the sea, all this will come under the languages, how we narrate. So narration, invitation, brochure, all these are relating to the integrated project or integrated learning. Here I have done the sketching, just I have drawn that about. And here also we can see that how the subject is related, different topics, and what about the costume of the person, what about the art associated with the, and what about the dress, how the dress, whether it is cotton or silk, and this one also how it is, how the cycle is created, and what about the water, what about the flowing water, and from where the water comes, what about the as it relates to economics also. We can see that stock and flow, when the water stored in the water tank, it is stock, and how many hours it will take, or how the water is flowing. So that is about the flow. So that relates to duration, and stock means at a point of time. Stock is related to point of time, and the flow of water through a pipe or through various pipes, that we call it as a flow. That is a duration. 1 hour or 2 hours we can empty the water tank that way. So as it is, as I have done this sequence just to show that it is a running water. So this way how the one topic, that is kinetic energy can be related to. Then I am taking an example. Another one is, I am taking an example regarding oscillatory motion. That is another topic I have seen. It is a periodic motion. Motions repeat themselves at regular intervals. Motions repeat themselves at regular intervals. Oscillatory motion, it moves to and fro about a fixed point after a regular interval of time. This pendulum is moving to and fro about a fixed point after a regular intervals. So it is reaching a fixed point, that is a equilibrium position. Equilibrium position means it is a resting place. If we say about equilibrium position about a consumer where he is getting maximum satisfaction, where a producer is getting maximum profit, and when it is about the physics, it can see that it is a resting place where it is moving to one side and other side, and after all it is reaching a point where it does not want to change. So here also we can integrate the subject. What about the clock? How the clock is made? What is the metal? What about the glass? What about the needle? So what about the needle? How the pendulum works? That is about the physics. What about the shape? And needle and the letters written there, all this related to maths, physics, chemistry, and suppose you are writing about it, it will come under languages. So that way we can integrate. Then several other topics also I have found, that about the measurement we can write about the kilometers, or how the earth is, or what about the distance of the earth, or the distance of sun from earth in the solar system. Like that we can connect it. So I hope you understood this one regarding how physics and other subjects can be interrelated. Now let us move to the calligraphy.